Full privacy, no noise, in a peaceful community. This is our next luxury listing. 6-bedroom, 5-full washroom, backing onto a forest on 62 feet wide by 141 deep lot. It's a triple car garage home with easy access to Highway 400 and well connected to GTA. The moment you enter inside, you are entertained by this beautiful design foyer area, which is open till the top. This elegant living and dining space offers perfect space for family gatherings and entertainment. You are welcomed by oversized front window, dark hardwood floors, matching crystal chandeliers that add a timeless charm. This kitchen is designed with family living in mind. You have a massive quartz island which can be used for your casual meals, helping with homework or entertaining guests. Custom cabinetry offers plenty of storage with walk-in pantry, servery. Everything is so much organized in this kitchen. Even from your premium brass fixtures to designer backsplash and range hood. It's functional, it is elegant, ready for everyday life. From the kitchen, you step out through the full height sliding glass door to your own private backyard, and the best is you have an unobstructed view of the forest. From kitchen we enter into the family area. It contains 5 large windows. This means you don't need to turn on any light while sitting and enjoying your family fun movie time. Upstairs you have 5 spacious bedrooms with 4 full washrooms, ideal for a large or a growing family. Each bedroom offers generous space, natural light and plenty of closet storage. It's a rare combination of space, comfort, perfect for multi-generational living or a busy household that need room to breathe. This home checks all the boxes: space, luxury, privacy and location. If you imagine your family living here, connect with our team right away.